Hey everyone, welcome to one of our Bob's Watches tutorial videos. Today we're going over how to set your Rolex Milgauss. Launched in 1956 as an anti-magnetic watch for scientists, the Rolex Milgauss was designed specifically for individuals working in laboratories and hospitals where proximity to strong electromagnetic fields would run the risk of disrupting the timekeeping of their watches. By placing an anti-magnetic shield between the movement and the outer case, the original Milgauss was able to withstand fields in excess of 1000 gauss, and the watch's magnetic resistance has only increased throughout the years. The Milgauss's shield is always active regardless of whether or not it's running, so you don't need to do anything in order to activate it or turn it on. Therefore, operating the Rolex Milgauss works just like any other Rolex watch, and the model follows the same standard setting instructions. To set your Rolex Milgauss, simply unscrew the winding crown and pull it out until you feel a faint click. Then, rotate the crown in either direction until the correct time is displayed by the hands. Once the time has been set, push in the winding crown and screw it back down to the case to ensure that your watch stays protected against moisture and dirt. Rolex built its reputation by creating wristwatches that were capable of thriving in environments in which others could not, and as the evolution of society created the new challenge of magnetism, the Rolex Milgauss was there to contend with this modern obstacle of the electronic era. For more information on the Rolex Milgauss, be sure to check out our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on our latest video content.